In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts in your Google Chrome browser. This can be particularly handy when you're juggling multiple Google accounts for work, personal use, or just for different projects. Let's dive into it step by step to make sure you can smoothly transition between your accounts without any hassle. To get started, first, open your Google Chrome browser. You'll want to take a look at the top right corner of the window. It's here you'll see a small circle, often featuring an image or initials representing your current Google profile. Click on this profile icon. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu showcasing all the Chrome profiles you've previously added or linked to this browser. In this drop-down menu, you will be able to see a list of all these available Chrome profiles. Think of this list as your personal switchboard for identities in Google Chrome. It's a straightforward way to access the different sets of bookmarks, personalized themes, and browsing histories, all tailored per account you've set up. Now that you have the drop-down menu in front of you, here's the simple magic trick. You just need to click on the specific profile or account that you wish to switch over to. Once selected, Chrome will take a moment to transition, and just like that, it will open the chosen profile for you. This seamlessly brings along all the associated bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, and settings that you've configured for that specific account. It's like having a personalized Chrome setup that uniquely fits your needs for each different Google account, all accessible in just a couple of clicks. That's all there is to it. Easy, right? A quick tip: if you're finding you switch accounts often, consider naming your profiles in a way that's most intuitive to you, possibly based on their specific uses like work or home, to make this process even more streamlined. Remember, switching profiles in Google Chrome doesn't just change the user interface. It changes your entire browsing environment. So, whether you're checking email on a personal account or pulling up shared docs for a work project, this feature keeps your digital life organized and efficient. So, now you have the know-how to effortlessly toggle between your accounts in Google Chrome. I hope you found this guide straightforward and that it enhances your browsing experience, making it as productive and individualized as you need it to be. If this guide was helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for making the most out of your Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.